Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you some super harmful Android settings that are secretly flooding your phone with ads. Watch this till the end because every single setting matters. I will walk you through everything step by step. First, open Google Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security. Now tap Add Privacy. Here you will see three settings that actively track your activity and interest to serve you personalized ads. Open each one and turn them off. The first one allows websites and their advertising partners to track what you do. It even tracks how long you stay on a page to personalize ads. Turn it off. The second one is ad performance measurement. This tracks whether you scroll past in ads or click it. If you click it, the system marks it as effective. Yes, even that is tracked. Disable it. The third one also shares data for ad targeting. Turn that off as well. Once all three are disabled, you have already reduced a huge amount of tracking. Now let's move to the next setting. Go to your main phone settings, scroll down and tap Google. Tap All Services. Scroll down to the Ads section. Here you will see your advertising ID. This is what third-party apps use to track you for ads. Tap Add Privacy and disable all the switches inside. Then go back, tap Reset Advertising ID. After that, tap Delete Advertising ID. Ads will not disappear completely, but they will be reduced significantly. Go back again. Next, open Personalize using Share Data. This allows Google Apps to use data from your device to improve recommendations and ads. Turn everything off here. Now open Usage and Diagnostics. Turn this off. This setting sends data about how you use your phone. Also very important, after a major Android update, these settings can sometimes turn back on, so always check them again after updating your phone. Now I'll show you one powerful bonus setting to block even more ads. Go back to main settings. In the search bar, type DNS. Open private DNS. Change it from automatic to private DNS provider hostname. Type this exactly, dns.edgar.com. Save it. This will block ads on many websites, not all, but most of them. Remember one more important thing. If you are using a VPN, this may not work properly. If you use VPN, keep DNS on automatic. But if you don't use VPN, then keep this turned on. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.